Let's fill out a Georgia prenuptial agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is Georgia's prenuptial agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything Georgia asks of it. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. The agreement is read generously to carry out what the couple meant. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address, exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is a Georgia agreement, so both blanks say Georgia. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. Both people have to sign it, so neither page stands alone. It has to be attested by the witnesses state law requires. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal, no sign-up required.